Here we welcome the sun.
He came. Yeah, baby. Look at that.
The time is currently, let me have a look, 25 to 12. I had a little an hour power nap, more like half an hour. We are about to hop on this baby bus to the mountain, to the volcano. It's gonna be a bit of a journey. Hopefully I can get some snooze in there. It's a lot of struggle, but it'll be worth it. Trust me. I'll trust me. We're currently in front of a mosque in Bromo. I think the driver, I just woke up. I think the driver is having a salat, praying time. It's 2 a.m. and out the window we got like ladies relentlessly. Okay, we are currently at the last village before the mountain or volcano of Bromo. The current temperature, the shitty phone says 24 Celsius, but you know it's lying. I know it's lying. I know cold. This is at least 8. This is a shit phone, alright. It says 24. I had to buy this phone because my Aussie phone wouldn't work here. It's freezing cold. But it's good, man. I love it. I'm so keen for this. Current time is 2 a.m. Sunrise is at 5:15. We have a lot of time to kill. We're just gonna chill. I had a little snooze. Had a sweet dream. It's all good, bro. It's all good. Tadi 10 katanya.
Iya, yang ini mas beda.
Oh, beda.
Ini soalnya punya orang.
Oh,
Nanti
iya.
saya setoran biar nggak torok gitu loh mas.
Ini buat 20. Kasih dah.
Nih,
20 sarung tangan. Mas.
makasih banyak
Ya,
mas.
sama-sama.
Tuhan yang balas banyak rezekinya mas.
Ya bu, ya bu.
Sampean mas.
Kelebihan bu.
Apa?
Kelebihan buat ibu.
Betul mas.
Ya.
Minta ya mas.
Enggak, ini bu. Kelebihan.
Ini untuk apa?
Buat ibu.
Ini sampean mas.
Kasih. Udah nggak bu.
Nggak apa-apa ini uangnya udah.
Pakai dik.
Pakai aja. Kita ini uangnya.
Nice lady. I try to give a tip. She's like, no, I'll give you more things. I'll give you more things. Yeah. Kasih bu.
Iya, sama-sama mas.
Nice lady. Now in the name of the last village before the volcano of Bromo. It's called Desa, which means village. Wonokitri. This is where we are right now. It's freezing.
Ikut ke sini sejam setengah pak.
Sejam.
Sudah separuh tadi.
Huh?
Sudah separuh.
We have found what is called a warung in Indonesia. I think I've explained this already. It's pretty much a hole in the wall with a shop selling drinks and food, mostly instant noodles. If you're lucky, you get some pretty decent other kind of food. A rice dish, obviously. They got coffee, they got hot tea. I'm getting one of those. That's the price. The coffees, oatmeals, teas, snacks. I got my meal. Gonna have this. Get some energy. Long way ahead of us. $5. That's how you stay cold up here if you're a local. If you're a tourist, you just suffer like me. Huh? Got me windproof on, my sweater's on. Got the microphone here so you can hear me better. And we're jumping on one of these. Exactly this one, actually. I'll be driving now. What about? Mana Pak? Oh itu. Alright, it's actually that one. It's actually the green one. Ya, jangan di atas ya.
Boleh bertemu ya? Apa? Yang nggak boleh ya?
Nanti dipasir boleh.
Kalau nyetir boleh, Pak?
Jangan.
Ya, nyetir.
Tidak signifikan itu.
Tidak signifikan.
Ya, di depan enak depan.
Di depan enak.
Iya, depan aja sambil ambil foto.
Ya, coba.
Iya.
Oke. Oh, I'll sit at the front. Oh ya, nanti ketemu lagi, Pak, sini. Sini lagi nanti ya.
Iya.
Oke. Mana dia pegangnya? Ya. Oke, Pak. Alright. We're in one of these. Old Jeep, hardtop, full metal. Hectic. It's a bit dark here, I can imagine.
Nanti di situ semisal ditanyain dari mana gitu kan,
Iya.
dari Indonesia gitu.
Oh iya.
Kemarin itu Pak Tigor kan bilangnya satu orang. Saya udah online satu orang. Ternyata
Oh,
ini
ada dua orang. Oke.
Nanti semisal tanya tuh, saya fotografer gitu aja.
Iya, siap.
Terus dari mana? Dari Malang gitu aja bilangnya.
Iya, dari Malang. Nggak bisa bahasa Jawa ketahuan nanti, Pak.
Oh. Liburan ke Malang atau gimana?
Liburan ya.
Iya, Bang. Ini loket masuk. Jadi nanti yang di Mas, sampean apa?
Apa itu?
Mas nanti yang bilang saya guide-nya gitu ya.
Iya.
Misal ditanya.
Tamunya siapa?
Mas,
Oh, saya tamunya.
semisal.
Oh iya.
Saudaranya sebenarnya apa? Saudaranya. Iya sih, nggak apa-apa.
Halo, Pak.
Iya. Lokal, Pak.
Lokal, Pak. Fotografernya tanya.
Lokal. Lokal. Tunggu fotografer.
Foto. Mantap, lolos sudah, lolos sudah.
Nah, gitu aja.
Lolos. Alright, we got through. That was a checkpoint. We only registered for one person.
Nggak percaya orang itu, Pak.
We only registered for one person.
Tadi
And there
tadi
were
gua ada
two of
mereka.
us.
Apa?
Bahasa Inggris gini-gini terus habis itu bahasa Indonesia di situ dia.
Yeah. Tukar ya. Yeah, so I was pretending to be the photographer so that we'll go through. And we did smoothly. Gak jauh. Jalannya gini terus nanti, Pak?
Ya, gitu terus. Jadi nanti di atas itu ada 5 spot sunrise point ya.
Oh, oke.
Nanti pilih yang di mana?
Yang paling bagus yang mana, Pak?
Ingkong atau Bukit Perahu.
Oke. Yang paling tinggi mana, Pak? Ya.
Kalau paling tinggi Penanjakan. Cuman kalau Penanjakan kurang rekomendasi
Kenapa?
karena ada pembatas benar.
Oh, ada pembatas-batasnya. Tapi yang
Susah buat angle foto.
Oh iya.
Ingkong itu ya bagus.
Iya.
Di apa nama?
Bukit Ingkong.
Bukit Ingkong. Oke.
Cuman nggak tahu jeep sampai sana atau enggak, soalnya berangkatnya kita jam 3, sedangkan di atas sudah rame.
Oh iya, oke.
Berarti jalan kaki gitu, Pak.
Kemungkinan kalau nggak naik ojek, tapi nanti saya lihat. Ya, masih bawah.
Have 3,000 of these jeeps. If they go full on, 3,000 of them going up like this. Mantle. This is a two-way road. This is a two-way road. We're taking it all for one. This guy on a motorbike. Oh, that's extreme. We're heading on to a fork. If you've noticed, they have some stone pillars like that. That is the Hindu culture. I was just been told that most of the people here, majority are Hindu, even though we're not in Bali yet. Here we are close. Uphill right now, a bit extreme.
pertama ya?
Yang pertama di bawah tadi.
Ini apa nih,
Bawah
Pak?
tadi namanya Bukit Diklik, ini yang kedua namanya itu Bukit Cinta atau Mahbasar. Di atasnya
Oke.
lagi ada Bukit Kingkong, Bukit Perahu, sama Penanjakan Jatuh. Cuman
Oke.
kemungkinan kalau kita ambil yang di atas Kingkong, itu jeepnya ya nggak bisa kemungkinan.
Nggak bisa parkir ya?
Iya, karena kanan kiri parkirnya nggak ada
Bisa.
parkiran kan.
Alright.
Otomatis kita agak di bawah nanti parkirnya.
Oke.
Jalan jauh nggak?
Alright.
Aduh, kurang tahu sih. Nanti
This is
kalau saya
second
udah
post.
dekat, itu tahu nggak ya? Kan nggak tahu di atas parkirnya sejauh apa.
We might have to walk from here for a little bit. This is second post.
Nanti kalau saya udah
Park
berhenti,
a car,
itu
then we walk a little
perlu
bit
naik ojek
up
atau
the
harus
hill.
naik Penanjakan pas di depan.
We decided to keep driving a bit further, go up to the second point in the volcano to enjoy the sunrise. Looks like everybody punting on the first hill out of convenience. We're not one of those. We do things the hard way around here. We march on, soldier. Have a looky. This is, everyone's looking for parking. If you see the lights over there, I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but that's how long the line is, all the way through.
Sebelah kiri
Sebelah kiri.
itu ya ada pintu masuk, nanti masuknya sebelah kanan.
Masuk ke sebelah
Oke.
kanan.
Masuk sebelah kanan itu kurang lebih paling ada 3 menit sampai 4 menit itu warung-warung semua itu udah spot.
Udah spot sunrise
Cuma
itu.
sunrise dulu, nunggu di warung.
Nunggu di warung dulu.
Cari warung yang enak pokoknya.
Oke.
Yang sebelah kiri nanti banyak yang bagus nanti tuh.
Oke, siap. Sebelah kiri ya. Jadi sebelah kiri warung pertama itu kanan pintu masuk.
Iya.
Parkir
Di
sini,
aja,
parkir sini aja ya, ada apa-apa.
Biar enak.
Ayo Pak, iya. Siap,
Sama
siap.
lu di atas.
Mas Maria tunggu di mana? Di sini nanti ya.
Saya di sini.
Siap.
Hang on. We'll let them through. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Ya, kasih Pak. Oh deh, yuk sampai ketemu. Alright, we go on foot from here on. Through this, through the field of jeeps, 3,000 of them. Can you believe that? Have a look, man. I can't believe that. 3,000 of the fuckers. Some of the locals also offer a motorbike ride up to the top. So instead of walking, if you can't take it, you can rent a motorbike with them. I'll take you up top. So when the car comes up behind you, you just gotta duck in the crevices like this, in between cars, let them pass, and you continue. Okay, I see it. We're nearly there. I see the light. I see the warongs. I see the light, and it's a good sign. It means we're nearly there. Elevation's getting to me. The oxygen's starting to feel really thin. It's jam-packed everywhere. No. Everybody's here. Everybody's here. Have a look here.
Ini pulang balik langsung sana, men.
Iya,
Ojek
langsung.
bang, kasih jauh bang.
Kenapa?
Kalau Penanjakan Satu bang. Dah. Masih 2 kilo lagi bang. Oh iya.
Mana kita?
Langsung naik.
Naik kan? Oh sini.
Lagi bang, nanjak bang.
Tunggu di warung katanya tadi. Tunggu di warung katanya tadi.
Nggak usah.
Masih lama anjir.
Selamat.
Blair kali, Blair. Alright, we're gonna get some drinks and then we head on. Yeah, everyone's here. My cousin's just getting some water. By the way, my cousin's name is Dicky. Can you believe it? No, it's true. Everybody's here. I might get one of this sweet corn. We'll see. This looks good. Berapa Pak jasuknya?
yang besar.
15 besar.
Ya, 15.
Ya. Satu. Look at that. Steaming, piping. Corn. Sweet corn. You know what? Oh yeah. Scooping the corn in. How about that? Damn, I'm loving the steam of this corn at the moment. I'm chilling off the steam of the corn, man. It's really saving me. God bless the corn. Put a bit of cheese. I know. Tell me about it, but I'm sure it's gonna be good. A bit of cheese. It's not even the wildest part yet. We got steamed sweet corn. We got a bit of cheese on top. I know what it sounds like, but don't knock it off until you try it. It's not even the wildest part. Wait till you see what you're gonna put on top next. Here we go. Cream of Sumyanggai. No, it's not. It's condensed milk. But right, so we got. Oh, we got the goods. We got sweet corn, shredded cheese on top, condensed milk, mental. All right, here we are. This is the entrance we're looking for. We're going in. We're heading on up. We'll secure a spot, chill with the steaming hot corn. It just smells so good right now. Nikki just gave me some information earlier about this water is for 10 each, while foreigners get charged 20, double the price. That's what you get there. Look at that, that's nice. I don't know my flowers, you tell me what they are. But they're nice, I like them. Smells good. All right. Oh, they got some more shops down here. I mean up here. They're really capitalizing on this mountain, don't they? Even in Korean or Japanese. Must be plenty of Japanese tourists here. Some of the signs are in Japanese. Of course, also in English and in Bahasa Indonesia. But look at this. It's just shops, which I like actually, pretty cool. What I wish to be less of, probably the noise pollution going up here. Would have been much more beautiful just hearing the stars without all the noise pollution of this ratchet bikes. This one's popping, man. This one's popping. Might be a good one, that one. Might check it out. Might look weird, sounds even weirder. Sweet corn, steam, shredded cheese, condensed milk on top, creme de la creme. However, banging. Tastes good. Don't judge a book by its cover, don't judge food by how it looks on the menu.
Current time is
4:05. Sunrise is in an hour and 10. So we have a lot of time to kill. Hey, all right, yeah, we started seeing the dusk. This dusk? The dawn of light. Hell yeah.
got my headband on. It's my
It was everywhere. I look like I'm about to go to a mosque to pray, but fuck it. Oh, I have a hair tie actually. I might just use that.
We're walking out and about.
We saw there's a lookout point there we're actually gonna check out. It's gonna be dark. You won't see shit. So back to me when there's light. As expected, dirt road. Dickie just went the wrong way. She just went here. Oh, jeez. Vans, white vans weren't made for this. That's for sure. All right, but we chill. Let me get a free hand. All right, I think we found the spot. We found our spot here. And you can't see it right now, it's a bit too dark, but we're above the clouds, man. I could see the silver lining of the clouds making its way somewhat like a floor, like a ground there, as if you can step on it. But obviously can't, it's cloud. Hectic. I'm just hoping when the sun hits, hopefully we can see it still. Hopefully the temperature doesn't shift too quickly that the cloud would just evaporate, because I really want to show you. There you can see the tiny specks of light making its way like ants formation gathering food. That's the village. We're that way up. We're that way high up. There's a bit more over there. I don't think you can see those ones, but those ones there, they're the village, and we're way up here. Check out this pose, yeah? This thing's not gonna hold me if I slip, man. That thing's not holding anyone, man. You slip down the hill, hit your bum on this, you're done. You're done there. Oh man, I wish you could see the stars. Really wish you could see the stars through this camera. They're popping. They're everywhere. I know they've always been there, but now you can really see it. Now you know it's there. All right, now I reckon you lot can see the dawn. Hell yeah, dawn. I'm smart. The dawn's rising. You see the orange on the horizon coming up. That's what we want. So it's coming up that way. And you know what? You know what's the best thing after that? It's gonna get a lot warmer.
Let me show you the picture I took on my
Phone. This is what it looks like. That's how it is, bro. You got the stars, you got the sun on the horizon saying hello. All right, this is the floor of a cloud I was talking about earlier. That's what it looks like, as if you can walk on it. If I was a little bit stupid, I would have tried. My legs are shaking, but it's worth it. How could you say no to that? How could you say no to that? Oh, wrong way. You can't see it just yet. It's still a bit too dark, but this is what we're looking at for reference.
I'm from the coast of Australia.
I can't deal with this weather. How's that I survived 1 year in the Russian winter and struggling here?
You have to stand still.
Man.
Morning from Bromo.
One of the best volcanoes in Java, Indonesia. Have a look. Hell yeah. I'll show you a bit more because it's just too beautiful. I'm actually gonna enjoy this. Trying to be present. See you on the way down.
Let's see how steep.
The hill right on my right is. You think I'll survive if I roll down there? That's clouds, by the way. Those are clouds. Oh, steam or is it mist? Not too sure. You let me know. I'm not that smart.
What I reckon I should have said yes.
When one of those ladies downstairs, down there, offering those thick jacket. I'm really feeling it now. I'm really feeling it now. I think they knew what they're talking about. I should have took the jackets. Oh man. No, all good. No, right. I'm talking to myself. Good. There's a word where you can't find a word for it. I think it's called ineffable. And I think it's fit. It's ineffable how beautiful it is. Camera don't do it justice. Good morning. Hell yeah. He came. Erupted, bro. How about that? Lucky you. Lucky you. Man, what a good day. Hey, good day, huh? What an amazing day.
Straks ook, als we daarin Oeps, oh, dat gebeurt echt nooit.
Ja, inderdaad, ja. Niet normaal.
Yeah, baby. Look at that.
Je moet wel eens gaan verkopen, hoor.
Ja.
Je geld mee verdienen.
Ja, dag. Nee, dat is
Good morning, he says.
Kijk, het is alweer gedaan.
Ja, het lukt wel.
On our way down because we have a couple more destinations to get to. Maybe I wasn't too sure. I wasn't listening when the jeep driver was talking important stuff, and I wasn't listening. Always the perfect timing to close my ears. But you know what? It was pretty loud on the road earlier. I reckon if I squint my ears a little bit more, I might have endured it. But unfortunately, we can't squint our ears. So here we are, making our way down. Gotta find my cousin Dickie. Maybe have a cup of tea. It's pretty hot. I mean, pretty cold. Can't even find the words for it. Then I would like to find a toilet because I'm busted. But it's worth it, man. I've been holding, and that was the right move. Just gotta hold it. All right, let's go. Paving. I love paving. Paving's great. One last look before we head out. All right, let me get some hot tea and I'll get back to you. All right, this is how you warm up. This is the proper way. This is how you do it up here. Have a look. Boleh saya rekam ini?
Okay.
Have a look at that. This is how you do it. With charcoal burnt up, just hang around it. You'll be fine. Kayaknya dia smart ya. Alright, this is what it looks like going down. You sure you can see it before? How many jeeps are up here? 3,000 of them on a full day, on a busy day. Mental. Daylight, I can tell they aren't jeep. They just call them jeep because I think the Jeep started this kind of car, but they're Land Cruisers, they're Toyotas. No wonder they're so reliable. I thought when they say Jeep, I was like, we're not gonna get up there. But no, we did good. This is a Land Cruiser, we're fine. That is a very nice Land Cruiser. That one. They're okay, they're good. Yeah, that's nice. That is very nice, I like that. Beautiful. I have to get myself one of those one day. Found the whip. After a long walk and searching, we found our whip. Let's get back into it.
Bisa tidur waktu ini? Bisa, mau
Tidur tadi?
Tidur.
Bisa
tidur. Bisa tidur.
The driver's been sleeping the whole time. Good on him. JJ to the world, back at it again with a not so white vans. Alright guys, this is the view. We had a long day. We had a big trip. I've delivered, I think. I don't know, you tell me. But if this will be the end of the vlog, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, punch the like button, just in case. Comment something down below, let me know what you think, what to improve, where to go. I'd love to hear those. Thank you very much.
for staying here with me. I love you all. Have a great day. Bye bye. Till the next one.
Alright, the journey continues. We're going down to the bottom of the mountain. There are some things that I will show you. It's cool.
There's news, and look where I woke up to. Oh man, you beauty. How can you see anything here? You can't.
This is the
Apa ini Pak? Pasir berbisik.
Pasir berbisik.
Masih kabut.
This is the sand, squeaky sand.
The mist is still here, so vision is nearly non-existent, which I think adds to the ambience.
Ini bagus ya Bapak.
You see the people there?
Ya.
Look, they camped out there with the
Semua itu
horses.
rumput.
Camped out with the horses over there.
Can't see them. I would have hit them if I was driving. In the horror movie, it's by Stephen King. It's based on Stephen King's book. If you've seen the movie called The Mist, this really takes me there. And if you've seen it, you know the ending fuck you up. Because it did fuck me up. I hope we don't have to live that moment. We're really in the thick of it right now. That's as far as you can see. You can't see anything. Holy shit.
Race.
Right, we're still here, but we had to make a stop. The mist just got too thick, way too thick over there. Past that point, we can't see shit, and the road only getting smaller and smaller. Anyone coming from the other side with a speed and hit us, they will be done for. I'm right here on top of this guy. We'll find another way. Don't you worry about that. I might go jump around in the thick of it first, I reckon. See if I can find my way back. Walking into the mist. I'm trying to get invisible. Look, that's not smoke. That's the steam. Because I'm trying to pee, trying to find a spot. I think I have found. Have a look at this there. Hell yeah, beautiful. Yeah. This kind of tourism I don't like. Using the horses well, they do look like they're taken care of, but some of them got died on their manes, on their hay. I disagree. I really disagree with such animal. I'd consider abuse. So I won't get on one of those. But you do you, they do them. That's how they make a living. I will use the good old reliable 2 feet. Appreciate that humans been using horses for labor since the dawn of time. However, time has changed. I think if it's for tourism such as this, when it's not absolutely necessary as it was back in the day, and it could be avoided, that's where I stand my point that I disagree with the practice. And yeah. Enggak Pak, pakai kaki aja. Jalan pakai kaki aja. 200,000 they offer for the service of the horses. What a good field. There's the temple, the Hindu or Buddhist temple. I can't remember. No, that's the Hindu temple. I saw all the way from the top earlier. I saw that little speck of temple back there, and that's where we're gonna head. We're gonna walk there and check it out. Bit of a walk, but it should be alright. Step on one of these pretty soon, knowing how history repeats itself. Arrive at the Hindu temple in the volcano of Bromo. Yes, this temple is so revered by the Balinese Hindu that they march on here from Bali. I'm not sure how the ritual goes. I heard they have to walk barefoot and some part of it or something. That's what I heard. I have to do more research. Unfortunately, I'm not very researchy kind of person, unfortunately for you. But it's equivalent. I heard it's equivalent of how the Muslim do their hijrah to Mecca. Yeah, this temple right here, amongst the volcanoes. If you can see the swarm of people that look like ants going up there, that would be the what do you call it? Where the kata, something like that, where it's piping mud coming out of the volcano. That's where all those people going to. I found the word, the crater. They're going to the crater, to the volcano. One of sick. If I was a Hindu, I'd be so impressed by this place. I am still impressed. However, I'm sure it would mean a lot more if I were a Hindu. By the way, if you notice this in the Hindu temple or so whatnot, they're not the you know what symbol. They're actually a religious symbol. Originally, that's what it was, and it's been, as we all know, used and abused by you know who. If you want to ride a horse, that's how you do it. Hell yeah. Horses are made to run like that. They were born, not made. Born to run like that.